Yes, so let us continue now. So, Dr. Hargovind Khorana, a scientist of Indian origin, has made important contribution in discovery of triplet codon for 20 amino acids. For this work, he is awarded Nobel Prize in 1968 along with two other scientists. Now remember, proteins are made up of amino acids and each amino acid has a triplet codon. प्रोटीन जे आहेत ते अमायनो ॲसिडनी बनलेले आहेत आणि प्रत्येक अमायनो ॲसिडचं एक ट्रिपलेट कोडॉन असतं. तर 20 अमायनो ॲसिडचे जे कोडॉन्स आहेत ते डिस्कवर करण्यासाठी हरगोविंद खोराना यांनी रिसर्च केलेलं आहे आणि त्यासाठी त्यांना नोबेल प्राईजसुद्धा मिळालेलं आहे. ईच mRNA यू कॅन सी इन द पिक्चर, न्यूक्लियस has the DNA. mRNA is formed inside, that comes outside, and with the help of the sequence on mRNA, the tRNA brings the amino acids and joins together. Okay, so there is one more RNA, that is rRNA, which joins them together. Now mRNA is made up of thousands of triplet codon. प्रत्येक अमायनो ॲसिडचे 3 कोड्स असतात, त्याला ट्रिपलेट कोडॉन असं म्हणतात. So as per the sequence of mRNA, amino acids are supplied by tRNA and they have anticodons complementary to the codons of mRNA. mRNA चा जो कोड आहे त्याच्या बरोबर अँटी कोडॉन दुसरा कोड असतो उलटा कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रान्सलेशन. अमायनो ॲसिड्स ब्रॉट बाय tRNA आर बॉन्डेड टुगेदर बाय पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड्स. तर त्यांच्यामध्ये पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड्स असतात विथ द हेल्प ऑफ rRNA. Okay, so this is translation. The amino acids brought by tRNA are bonded together by peptide bonds with the help of rRNA. So during this process, ribosome keeps on moving from one mRNA end to other, and this is called translocation. The translocation मध्ये काय आहे, rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA, that moves from one end of mRNA to the other and it joins the amino acid. तो amino acids ला join करतो, त्यालाच म्हणतात translocation. So such many chains join together, they form the protein. खूप सारे chain join होतात आणि मग proteins तयार होतात. So our body is made up of proteins, our appearance is because of proteins. So living organisms can produce new individuals like themselves due to genes. Some of these genes are transmitted to next generation without any changes. Due to this, some characters of offsprings are transferred. Sometimes any nucleotide or gene changes position, and this minor change occurs is nothing but mutation. The change in sequence of DNA म्हणजेच mutation. Change in sequence of DNA is nothing but mutation. Some mutations may be minor, but some may be considerable. तर काय काय म्युटेशन्स एकदम मायनर असतात, पण काय काय खूप कन्सिडरेबल असतात, मोठ्या प्रमाणात असतात. म्युटेशन मे कॉज जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर्स लाईक सिकल सेल ॲनिमिया. सो दिस इज एव्हरलास्टिंग प्रोसेस अँड इट इज वन ऑफ द प्रूफ ऑफ डार्विन्स theory of natural selection. Now let us go to evolution. So here they have asked some questions. What is the function of appendix? Are wisdom teeth really useful? Why are huge animals like dinosaur become extinct? And why are many species of animals and birds getting extinct? So if you think over these questions, you will get some answers related to evolution. So what is happening? Now we'll just discuss about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were the largest of the animals on land, and the food was short. So there was mass extinction. Some say that a comet hit the surface of Earth. So there was a lot of problems. Many dinosaurs died during that era. Whoever survived, they converted into the mammals, and that is what the present day situation is. The mammals are more than any, or mammals are ruling the planet now. Now, evolution is a gradual change occurring in living organism over long duration. So it's a very slow, gradual, it's a very slow process, and it is development of living organism. There are changes that are occurring in living organisms. All the stages in the changes occurs in various components from stars, planets, space. Okay, formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of living organisms as a response to natural selection is called as evolution. Okay, so formation of new species, नवीन species तयार होतात कसं, with the response to natural selection. Natural selection, what is the changing situation? So it is said that 3.5 billion years ago, life was not there on Earth. There was no life at all. So Earth was very hot, very simple type of elements were present. Then some organic, inorganic compounds, they interacted with each other in the oceans. Then water came. Actually what happened, there was no water earlier. So water is thought to be come from the comets. And after that what happened? These compounds started interacting with each other in oceans. So complex compounds like proteins, nucleic acids have been formed. So reactions happened, the conditions were favorable, and then complex compounds were formed. So first primitive type of cells may have formed from the mixture of different types of organic and inorganic compounds. So number of those cells may have increased at the cost of surrounding chemicals. So whatever the surrounding chemicals were there, because of that the organic and inorganic compounds, they started increasing in number, forming more complex structures, and then cells were formed, and there was good growth. Principle of natural selection, there was good growth of some type. Those who are not growing, they perished. Okay, काही प्लांट्स जे आहेत, काही ॲनिमल्स जे आहेत ते चांगले ग्रो झाले, बाकीचे मरून गेले. सो ॲट प्रेझेंट क्रोर्स ऑफ स्पीशीज आर देर. सो देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डायव्हर्सिटी अँड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. छोटे छोटे ॲनिमल्स पण आहेत, मोठे ॲनिमल्स पण आहेत. Large number of animals are there, large number of plants are there. Amoeba is there, paramecium is there to man, giant whale is also there. So tiny plants, unicellular chlorella is there, huge banyan tree is also there. So life exists on earth everywhere from equator to both poles, and organisms are present everywhere. So they are present in air, water, land, rock. So humans have shown curiosity about origin of life, what actually life is. So different theories are proposed. So gradual development of organisms is accepted. Okay. So gradual development. There was a slow development, that is the theory of evolution now. You can also collect information about Big Bang, try to understand how the universe began. Okay. And then theory of evolution. So according to this theory, first living organisms, they appeared in ocean. Okay. सर्वात पहिले जी लाईफ स्टार्ट झाली ती ओशनमध्ये स्टार्ट झाली. So unicellular animals were formed, unicellular plants were formed, and they became larger and complex. हळूहळू काय झालं, ते युनिसेल्युलरचे मल्टीसेल्युलर झालं. And over a period of 300 crore years, there were changes, and these changes led to all round development, multi-dimensional. वेगवेगळ्या टाईपचे चेंजेस झाले, सगळ्या बाजूनी चेंजेस झाले, आणि मग काय झालं, ओव्हरऑल प्रोसेस, न्यू ऑर्गॅनिझम्स वर फॉर्म्ड.